Okay, in the previous session, we have seen formatting, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is day number 5. Okay, day 5, and we are learning comments. Okay, so what are comments? Do you know what are comments? Why we use comments?
Yes, sir. To describe some description about the source code.
Yeah, comments, it is not displayed
To describe.
in the browser, okay?
Yeah,
But it helps understanding the codes, okay?
sir.
That's also called documentation, all right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Let's start with the how you can comment. Basically, you use this, okay, syntax. I'll separate it, okay? You have to, you don't have to give spaces here, okay? Just to show you how you can put the content in here, okay?
Okay.
So I'm giving space, but you don't have to give, okay?
Okay, sir.
This is how you comment.
Yeah,
Okay. So notice here the exclamation mark is there, okay? But an
okay.
exclamation mark is missing in the end tag, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So how you can use this, okay? Comments. Let's say first, doc, type HTML, then HTML, head, title, and this is, comments, web page. And inside this, we use p tag, okay? Yeah, this is a paragraph. All right. And now I want to comment this, okay? We can say, okay, this is a comment. And you can write here details about, the paragraph tags, okay? Why
Okay.
you put it here, okay?
Okay, sir.
And you can add more information there. So you can hide the code also, okay? I don't want to show this, okay? Let's say I have another p tag, okay? Hide this p tag with comment, okay? So you can also hide the, you can use this comment tag to hide the code. Look at here. In the future, if I need it, I will uncomment it.
Yes, sir.
Most of the time we use comments, to hide the
Yeah,
content,
yeah.
okay? Or like for a short time, temporarily. Let's say client requested to do the, write some code for new functions. But later on he said, no, I don't want these functionalities. And you can comment it because you invested time in doing the coding, okay?
Yes, sir.
And later on he might say, okay, I want the same functionality again back. Then in that case, you can uncomment the code, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how we can hide the comments codes, okay? All right. And this is also comments can also be used, let me put it here. Comments can be used to hide parts just to debug. Okay, means debug and finding the errors. Okay, it's a great tool for debugging HTML. Okay, like how, let's say several hundred lines of programs you are written, you don't know like what part caused the problem. So you start putting the HTML elements in the comments, okay, group by group. And the moment you put all the comments, and the comment which is creating problem, no, it will be uncommented obviously, and you can take a look into the problem, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's a great, comment. It's great for debugging. Okay, you can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for errors. All right.
Okay, sir.
So that's what comments. You should use it. Okay. Now let's see HTML colors. Okay. See, now I'm starting a new topic, so I'm writing here HTML colors. Look at it. So HTML colors basically, specified, with predefined color names. Okay. I'll use pre-type. Okay. You know why we use pre-type?
It
It will be
prints.
formatted as is. Okay. The way we, put the content, with space. Okay. And new lines. Okay.
Okay,
So you can, predefine color names, color codes are there. Okay. Like RGB, X, okay, RGBA. All right. So let's see the color names. What color names we can use in HTML. So it's a tomato, okay, then orange, okay, Dodger blue, medium sea green, gray, slate blue, okay, violet, okay,
yes, sir.
light gray. All right. We can use all these colors. So let's see all these colors. Let me see this tomato. I want to give it a color orange. Okay, Dodger blue, medium, gray, violet. Okay, yes, let blue. Okay, all these, I'll give it, I will use it, let's say EM tag. Okay,
Sir.
so in this one, I will use style property. Let's see how if we can apply the style property. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, so let's just save it. First, we try. Okay, let me go to the folder where we have this HTML. Okay, here we go. So in the codes, and it's a September 11, right? Day 5. Let's open it up. Okay, do you have my screen now?
Yes, sir.
See, tomato, it's in tomato color. Okay, look at.
Yes,
Okay, likewise, we
yes,
can give, the colors to the other. Okay,
sir.
we'll copy this and then this light gray. Oh, sorry. And then we will end it. Okay. All right. Do you see? Save it and go to the browser. Do you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can, like make it bold. Okay. If you want. Okay. Which, what do we use here? Font size, right?
Size.
And you can use large, larger, medium, small. Okay. We will use larger. Okay. First, let me check it how it looks. Okay. Okay. This is good, right? We can
Yes.
use, font size like in pixels, okay, like 30 pixels. Okay, let's save it. Okay, and go to the browser. Okay, 30 pixel. Okay, that is
Yeah, yeah.
okay. Yes. So we can, go with the pixel. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's paste it. All right,
Sir.
saving it. Okay, is it clear to you now?
Yeah, yeah, it is clear, sir.
Okay. You can give background color also. Okay, it's like, you don't want set to, like the font color. You can set the background color also. Let me show you. See the background color. Okay, instead of color, I can set it to background color. Look at here. You see? Instead of font color, I set it to background color. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I think, I will keep one as, for an example. Okay.
Sure. Oh,
As an example purpose, we will, keep the background color as is. Okay. The rest are, like text colors. Okay.
oh,
Let's go with the now this pre tag, we are done with this. Okay, let's create a new pre tag. Okay, and what we are planning to do in here, we are planning to do background color. Okay, setting the background color
okay, sir.
for HTML elements. So in this one, I want to set the background color for H1 tag. So I can say style, and this style that you are using inside the H1 tag, this is actually,
Yeah,
inline styling. Okay.
okay, sir.
So I can now
And
say
you say
here
we can do in the same source code, right, sir?
in the same H1 tag,
Yeah.
okay?
So outline means we can what, sir? What is
External
out?
CSS is there, internal is there, and inline. Inline
Uh,
means inside the tag itself.
okay, sir.
Internal means in the same file.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
And external means outside the file. You're writing CSS outside the file, not in the
Oh,
same file.
now
We'll
we are
see it.
using
We'll see
internal only.
it. We'll see
Yeah.
it. Don't worry, we'll see it, okay?
Okay, sir.
So now I'm going to give dodger blue, okay? And then we can also set the p tag, okay?
So,
Let's just copy this p tag, okay? Make it p, okay? And this one we set it to tomato. We'll add some more text in here, like okay, comments, because this is not the heading, .
yes, sir. 嗯 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 yes,
Okay, let's just save it and go to the browser, refresh. Okay, you can see in here background color set it to, you know,
Yes, sir. Dodger blue.
yes, we might want to center this one, okay?
Yeah, text
Background
aligns.
color, it takes a line center. Okay, so let's now, okay, let's do text align center, okay? Generally, headings are centered, right?
Yes, sir.
If the code, it doesn't fit in the on the same line, okay, you can break it down on multiple lines, okay?
Okay.
So let's refresh. Okay, here we go. You got it?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Then we can give text color, okay? This is background color, okay? Let's learn the text color. Okay, so what we do, okay, for text color, we just, remove the background, okay? And just say it's, you know, tomato, okay, text align center, fine. Remove the background color because I want to give the color to the, it's a medium sea green, okay? This is the
Yes,
font color, basically, text color,
yes, sir.
understand? If you want, you can add one more paragraph in here and you can try different color in here. Let's say medium slate blue. Let's save it and try it.
Okay, sir.
Here we go. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see border color, okay?
Yes.
Let me comment. So this is why comments are useful. See, now I'm commenting. It's a border color. What I'm doing next, okay? With the help of
Yeah.
comment, I'm mentioning that, okay?
Yes, sir.
We say H1 is, style tag and we say border. Okay, let's close it first. Okay, we'll say welcome to HTML. Okay, so style, what we are going to give border. Okay, so border will be, you give border width. Okay, 2 pixel. Okay, space. Is it a solid line or dashed line? How do you want it? Okay, then what color? Okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
So style border colon. Okay, three properties: width, style, like dash line, okay, or solid line or dotted line, and then color of that, okay. Then we mention paragraph also. Here we will say border, okay, same property. All right, so here we will say different color. All right,
Okay.
border we will just make it 1 pixel, okay.
Okay, sir.
This is the width of that line, okay, border. So let's just save
Yes.
it. And okay, let's just check in the browser. Look at it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see, okay, different ways you can set the colors, okay. So color values are there, basically. You can set the color by values also. So in HTML, colors can be specified using RGB values, hex values, okay, RGBA values, and HSL, SSLA values, okay. So
Okay,
we
sir.
can, have the background color, with the RGB, hex, and HSL values, okay. Let's see that. We need a div tags, okay, for that, or H1 tags, okay. So let's do
Yes.
that. H1 style. This is one H1, okay. We'll add two, three H1 tags, four H1 tags. Okay? So one is for RGB, okay. Now we'll say background color will be, before we used to give directly name, tomato and all. So now, RGB, red, green, blue, okay. So maximum value is 255, okay. See, it's a 0 to 255, you can give any values, okay. This is for red. For green, you can give any value between 0 to 255. Okay.
Okay, sir. That values for brightness are.
See, now this is R, this is G, and this is B. Okay. So
Okay.
now let me put R. I can give any random value. I can say maximum red. Okay. 50%, almost 50% green, and 25% blue. I don't know what color it makes. It makes orange here. Look at here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now see the next one. Okay, hash color. Okay, I don't know what is the hex value for this. Okay, so for the same, I can find the hex value. Just get rid of this hex value. Start with the hash. Okay, hash maximum. So FF. See, this 255 means FF. Okay, and 100. Hex value for 100 is. Let me find out in the Google. Okay.
Hex, you didn't write hex there, sir.
Yeah, hold on. So let me just find the 100 value. This is 128, this is 64, this is 32, this is 16, this is 8, 4, 2, and 1. Now, what numbers if I add, it will become 100. 64, then 36 remaining. 33 minus 32, 4 remaining. Okay,
Oh,
alright. So what is the number I will have? See, this will be 0. This will be 0, this bit will be 0, and this will be 0, and this will be 0. Okay. Okay. And now see, what is the hex value for this? It's very easy. Okay, write this number, okay, separately, okay, without spaces. Okay, don't give space in between numbers. Okay, make a group of 4 bits. Okay, now 0 1 1 0 and 0 1 0 0. What is this number? It is very easy. So see, this is number 4, okay, and
yes,
this
sir.
is number, you know,
Six.
5. Not yes, it is 6, okay. So it's a 6 4. You got it? So you put here 6 4. And what is 30? How do you make number 30 addition? Okay. How what will you do? What numbers will make? See, this is
Maybe
0, this is 0, 30. 32 is a bigger number, 16, 1. Okay, like how much remain? 40. So
yeah, then
8, Okay. 14 minus 8 will be 7, right?
Yeah. All ones.
Uh,
All.
7, 4, 4 plus 3. So this is okay. All these, okay.
Yes, sir.
You understand? This is 30, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir. 30.
No, this is 30.
16 plus 8.
This is 30. Okay.
Okay,
Now you write it down here without spaces, 4 bits together. Okay. Okay, you got it?
sir.
What is this number? This is 1, and what is this number? See, this is
8.
E. If you don't know what is this number, now I'll help you at finding it. See what you do. See 0 to 9. Okay, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, there is A, which is
Yeah,
10.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
then there is B, then it is 11. Then C, it
Yeah,
is 12.
yes, sir. I
D, it
remember.
is 13.
Yeah,
E, it is 14.
sir.
Okay, and F, which is 15. Now you might wonder what is this? This is 14 actually. 110 is 14, which is
Yes, sir.
E. Okay, now this is decimal value 14. Now 14, how can you make 14? 6.
8, 4, 2. 8 plus 4
8,
plus
4,
2.
12 plus 2. So that means 3, 1 and 0, right? So
Uh,
3, 1 and 0. So this is E. You got it?
yes, sir.
So 1 E will be the value and it will give you same color. So, either you can go by this RGB or hex value, you're having same color. I'll prove it to you, okay? Then you can use RGBA, okay? So let me use RGBA. Let me just do copy and paste it in here. RGBA and then 255. Same, I have to give color 100 and then 30 and A alpha, okay? You got it? So this is I have to give. Okay. All right. And I can give directly the name. Okay. Orange. But let's not give here. Okay. So let's try this now. Let me put this in pre tag. Okay. So it will show it on the form. Okay. Okay. So let me just go to browser and refresh it. Okay, look at here. Okay. Why it's not showing anything? H1. Let me check it. Okay, we are not displaying anything in here. That's why. Okay, so let's display something here. Okay, color values. Okay, do you see
Yes, sir.
alpha? Because of alpha, it's a transparency decides. Okay, that's why you
Okay.
see the color this way. You got it?
Yes, sir.
The background color.
Border color. Oh, color values. Yes, sir.
Okay,
This, can you once explain again RGBA, sir?
yeah. See what is RGBA? So basically, see, let me explain it. Basically, it's a shade. Okay, like alpha channel, like opacity for a color. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Like it's between 0 to 1. 0 means fully transparent and 1 is not transparent at all. Okay.
Sir.
Basically, you know, if I give here,
I am not able to see the source code screen.
okay, see here, look at here. A, if I give maximum, you know, if I like give two, okay, like zero means you can barely see the
Right.
color, okay. Now let me just share the screen. Now if I just you know, refresh, look at here, okay, it's like full transparency.
Yes,
And
sir.
if I, you know, put the higher number here, okay, between 0 to 1, okay, like I make it 0.8. Look at it. Now it's dark,
Uh,
okay.
yes, sir.
It's a alpha channel. One means transparent, zero means not, see, one means no transparency, okay, and zero means fully transparent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay then. You can do practicing now, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. Let me end this session and please share your screen, okay? Now you have to rejoin the session, okay?
Yeah, yeah. 2 minutes I will join, sir. Okay.
Okay, okay.